car. We're gonna install a front license plate conversion kit for the new BRZ. What's up, YouTube? So, when you buy a 22 BRZ, they come with these inserts for your license plate. And it's, I guess, for JDM plates, but I live in the US, so we have a different type of plate. I went on Amazon and bought a license plate conversion kit or adapter. And it's gonna be attached like this. Or you can go buy a license plate relocation kit and pull this out and have it placed over there. But I didn't want to show off this, so I went with this. Okay, let's get into install. So these nut inserts, or whatever you call them, is a M6 screw. So this is the one I got, M6 1 by 12 millimeters. And I'll show you how it fits here. It screws in just like that. See, these holes are too small for M6 screws here. So I have to make them a little bigger by drilling it. You just have to screw it and it will go in. Yep. Now the other side. So this is how the license plate adapter looks on the car. The kit comes with these screws and a Allen wrench to bolt on your license plate in these holes. And that's it, guys. That's how you install a JDM to US license plate conversion kit. If you like this video, leave a subscribe for more videos. Thanks.